Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be talking about how to find stocks before they break out. Okay, just a little bit, a little FINVIZ screener. Okay, so I will be showing you how. Like, make sure to follow along with me. That's what's going to be happening in today's video. We're going to be filling some filters out, and let's get straight into it. Okay, consider liking and subscribe because I do put one video like this every single day, educational video for you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First of all, what you want to do is go on FINVIZ.com. If you're new here, this is basically a screener where you can basically watch a lot of the companies like this in a kind of squares and stuff and like rectangles. So you can kind of have a broad picture about the markets, the industrials, and all the good stuff. You feel me? Now, what you're gonna do from here on is go on screener, and then as you see, it will pop up, and you will have this. Okay, the market has been open for like 2 hours. Yeah, for exactly 2 hours, and from here, what you want to do is go on descriptive filters, and we're going to be first of all filling them descriptive filters. Okay, here in this like in this kind of window, we're going to be filling two things, and then like when we fill these things, we're going to go in trading view right here, and then we're going to be seeing the and kind of analyzing the chart. Okay, so we want to find stock before they break out, and what we want to fill for first of all from here is the current volume, and just keep in mind here you have the current volume, and just keep in mind that through every single thing that we go, I will be explaining what that means. Okay, so right here we have the current volume, the number of shares traded today. So what you want, what I mean that it makes sense what the current volume is. Okay, number of shares traded today. So this stock is like should have this amount. So we're going to be filling it right now. This amount of shares traded today. Okay, so what do we want to fill is over 200,000. Okay, 200 to 300. I sometimes go to over 100, but specifically in the sweet middle, we go with over 200,000. Okay, so we do that. And as you see right now, we have 1,907 stocks right here. This is industry, this is any. You can also go it is always up to you. I leave it as any, but the industry is basically the industry which is stock it belongs to. Then what we want to do from here on is go to the price. Okay, go to the price, and what we want to clear from here on is custom or ally only. What we cannot fill it right now. Okay, so like what am I going to be looking for the price will be around. And as I said, from the price, like what I personally want to do is from a dollar to around $5, $6, $7. Okay, maybe like under $10. So let's just go with the under $10 mark right here. Go with the under 10. It is always up to you, like what kind of stocks you want to trade. You feel me? And this is it for this screener for the descriptive filters. And like what we want to do from here on is go to the uh, this through the technical filters. Okay, so we're going to be filling some things out. We did skip the fundamental side of things. You see, we have the PEG, the price to earnings to growth. You feel me? But we're not. You have like this is not like everything here. You say you have EPS, or the earnings per share growth this year, and a lot of other things. I mean, you can look it for yourself up. But we're going to be filling the technicals right here. So what we want to fill in this like this thing right here are going to be three things. Okay, only three things. And the first thing that am I going to be looking at is the RSI 11, the RSI 14. This is the relative strength index 14. Basically, what it means is that the relative strength index is a technical and like analysis oscillator showing the price strength by comparing the upward and the downward close to close movements. So what we want to do right here is for it to not be oversold. Okay, for it to not be oversold and to be bigger than 50. Okay, that's what we want to look at. For just to be above the 50 or just in the middle, just above the middle, and for it to not be oversold. So this gives a pretty decent understanding, if you know what I mean. The next thing that we want to fill out is the 200 day simple moving average, and what we want to fill right here would be for the price to be above SMA 200. Okay, the price to be above the SMA 200. This will tells us that the price is kind of in an uptrend. Okay, because when the price is above the simple moving average 200, we can say that the price is more like trending to the upside, because the 200-day simple moving average is a, as you see right here, is a average is a moving average of a closing price is in the meaning of the previous 200 days of the closing prices. Okay, it's kind of the average for the last 200 days. So this can tells us that we're in a clear trend on a daily chart. Okay, so what we want to fill out next is the 50-day moving average, simple moving average. Okay, what we want to feel right here is for the price to be above the 50. Price will be above the SMA 50. Again, this will tells us that we're in a clear trend, and the price will be also above the 200. About the price will also be above the SMA 50. And if you click on the 20-day simple moving average, do you know what to? No, we're not going to be feeling anything with the 20-day simple moving average. You can draw it for it to be the price to be above estimate 22. But this you have only like 124 stocks. Like we can go check it out for yourself. But I don't do anything right here. We still have 128 stocks. But yeah, and like that will be it for the actual screener. Like you can go and screenshot this up for you guys. Okay, the price under $10. Just a little bit, just a little recap for you. The 50-day simple moving average to be price above the SMA 50. The 200-day simple moving average the price to be above SMA 200. The average size to be not oversold and above 50, and the current volume will be over 200 or 100. It is always up to you. I personally to put it to 200. And right now we go and we hunt for a stocks. As you can see, we have a 128 potential breakouts. So what, like when we are looking at the chart, we can see that this can be a breakout. As you can see, we had a breakout right here. Had a breakthrough through the triangle. This is a apartment investment and management company located in the USA. Okay, in the real estate, REIAT or REIT, like residential. And as you can see, it did break through a structure to this kind of discounting triangle. Of course, it was in uptrend. Again, a beautiful setup that could have been cut for sure. You said that we have another breakout right here. When I'm looking at the chart, what could be a breakout will be this. This is a great. This looks pretty good to me. It already had breaking out, but you can kind of take advantage of it. You can go and see this is Assecia Research Corporation in the specialized business services. Okay, so ACTG. Go and take a look at ACTG. And go launch up the chart for you guys. Okay, this is how it looks like on a 1 hour time frame, but we are gonna go on the daily chart, of course. As you can see, it is breaking out the chart out of the structure right here. It's breaking out of the structure. Oh my god, it is breaking out of the structure. This is how it is basically drawing up from here, from these closes. Something like that, have a high right here that we want to break through. So you can take advantage, kind of make sure you guys kind of have a buyer above that because we are going to be having a breakthrough structure. Going to have a stop loss just above here when it kind of goes and kind of try to target this area right here. It's always up to you what you want to do with that. This is going to be a great like breakout trade. It's always up to you what you want to do with this filter. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. And that will be about it for today's video. So consider liking and subscribing, guys, and peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye.